Hello video editor, welcome. Today we will discuss about how to render using Adobe After Effects for YouTube videos, where the results of rendering with good quality, small video size, and rendering quickly. But before we start, please click on subscribe for other interesting videos because it's free, and don't forget to like this video if it helped you. First we open Adobe After Effects. We use the CC version 2017. This project is a spectrum video, where we use several effects such as blur, usually blur, which will make rendering slow, but don't worry, we have a solution. Make sure you change the resolution to full. Usually video editors use quarter, therefore in order to be able to freely edit and not eat a lot of RAM. Why when rendering we have to choose full resolution? Because this will provide the best video quality. Adobe team has prepared Adobe Encoder, where this application is used to fully render files without disrupting other applications when we want to edit a new video. We use the CC Encoder with the same version. We heard that Adobe CC is more effective than the old version. It is Adobe CS, where rendering is faster and many other features. We wait until the file appears. Now we open the settings. We will set some options. Make sure you check render at maximum depth, which will give full color to your video. Then use maximum render quality. This will provide good video quality, but will slow down rendering. For audio, already the recommended settings. Please note that YouTube has a compression engine, so don't make it too crazy. Then the feature we like is that you can save your own settings, like this. The duration of this video is 4 minutes 30 seconds. Rendering takes 9 hours. Actually depends on the ability of your computer. This is better than the Adobe After Effects rendering queue. Usually we take 2 days. Now let's see the size of the video, and for the results of the video you can see the description or the end of the video. Thank you for visiting. Please remember to subscribe for other interesting videos because it's free. Love this video if it helps you. Maybe you want to give us a surprise or a donation to our PayPal. Please check the description. See you again.